Alright, hey guys, John with Dent Reaper, dentreaper.com, A1 Tools. Gonna show you some of the new stuff. This is the Dent Angel. Just like the Reaper, only a softer tip. You got a cap that goes with it. And had guys asking for a softer tip tool. Just basically everything is the same as all the Dent Reaper sizes with a softer tip. So we got the 29 inch, the 23 inch, the baby blue and the fat baby, and yeah, that's been that. No flex per the usual. Still bringing dents to meet their maker, just with the softer touch. So you can get this at A1 Tool or at dentreaper.com, and $144 for a ratchet, $104 for a fixed handle. Sizes and prices vary. I'm not going to bore you with all those details. Just go to pdrtool.com or dentreaper.com and check it out. Thanks again to Chris and Dentless Touch for giving me the opportunity to share this with you guys. Follow me on Instagram at dentreaper and check it out at dentreaper.com.